Breaking down gerrymandering from a public relations standpoint reveals not just political consequences, but deep implications for public trust, democratic identity, and America's international image. Here's a structured PR analysis on its morality, disarming potential, and long-term impact.
The PR optics of gerrymandering, manipulation in plain sight. From a communications standpoint, gerrymandering is the branding of democracy and distortion. It's a highly visible act of strategic manipulation, where the process of democracy appears weaponized for partisan control rather than public service. Perception issues. Voter dilution becomes the headline, not voter empowerment. Fair elections gets replaced with rigged systems. For the public, it translates to "my vote doesn't count," a phrase PR strategists dread because it erodes the entire platform of civic engagement. Public verdict, manipulative, outdated, self-serving. Moral optic, it violates the social contract between government and governed. Disarming gerrymandering, a PR opportunity for redemption. Disarming or reforming gerrymandering would be one of the most powerful PR wins for modern democracy. It gives elected officials, parties, and institutions the chance to publicly align with transparency, fairness, and inclusion, which are essential brand values for trust-based governance. Productive PR leverage can be framed as returning power to the people. Allows political leaders to reposition as protectors of democracy, not predators of power. Media narratives can be shifted from broken system to course correction, but it requires clear storytelling, consistent messaging across parties, human-centered language, not procedural jargon, global and domestic impact, truth in government. Domestically, gerrymandering feeds apathy, suppresses civic identity, and widens racial and socioeconomic distrust. From a public relations lens, this weakens the brand equity of government, where people no longer buy into the product of democracy because they no longer trust its delivery. Internationally, the U.S. promotes democracy abroad, but gerrymandering makes that position morally contradictory. Nations observing American politics see a system that rigs maps instead of respecting the electorate. This undercuts America's ability to speak credibly about free and fair elections, weakening its soft power and global PR leverage. Is it productive, progressive, sustainable? Productive? Only for those seeking power at the cost of legitimacy. Long term, it degrades institutional trust, which is essential for progress. Progressive? No, it contradicts every principle of social progress, especially racial equity, access, and fairness. Sustainable? Absolutely not. It's a PR time bomb that leads to decreased voter turnout, increased civil distrust, widened polarization, deeper democratic fatigue, PR reflection, restoring truth in government. Disarming gerrymandering is not just political reform, it's brand restoration. In public relations terms, it's the reputation management strategy of the decade. It says, we heard the public, we corrected the system, we care more about people than power. This is the message America needs to reclaim its trust from its own citizens in the world.